Tita, I cannot see you.
Jump, jump, jump.
Anong level ka na, Teresa?
51.
Ikaw, San?
8.
Ikaw.
15.
50?
15.
Ay.
Ako yung pinaka-lowest.
Bago ka pa nga eh.
Hindi kaya, kagahapon pa ako.
Goodbye, good night.
Kabisado mo yung dansan.
No?
Kasi maghiwalay tayo kasi hanapon. Bush Cheval.
Oh my God.
Get in.
Why are you punching your horse? You know that's bad, right? White.
Ouch. God damn, someone just throw it.
You lucky pig.
Ano, Teresa, huwag yung patayin yung may trident. Maghanap kayo ng shell. So, kaibigan nyo, i-ano nyo yan, idudura yung trident.
Ano daw? Wala mo yung trident sa ground. Tita, sa likod mo.
Yeah, I know. Tatamaan mo ako.
Likod, nasunog. Hey bro, stop, sunog-sunog.
Stop arsoning.
Ilan yung white?
Anong white?
Dalawang white na lightning na walang tunog.
Yeah, right.
Eyes don't lie.
Yes, they did.
I just leave my home.
Why? You know that's bad, right?
God dang, it says a flower. I thought it was a
Ano?
cow.
Your horse is escaping.
Ouch! Nagkamali.
Let's climb into the tree.
Hey, I don't know where are you? Where even are you?
But then I can climb the tree.
Because we're in a tight space.
Love is good. My horse gonna die. I don't have an apple.
But I have wheat. Only one. I can give you wheat.
Yun, may apple. Shit,
Tita, I can give you wheat.
I have apple. Nakakuha ako ng
Okay, pag wheat.
Nakakuha ako ng apple. Di mo alam. Kaya ako nagkaroon. Hey, may apple dito sa manggahan. Apple. Dito.
Oh, saplings. Sapling is important for me. Magagabi na. Umano.
Ano, horse ko? Horse ko.
Ewan ko. Horse ko ito dahil black siya.
I just leave him for a second. I need to
Ayun o, kita mo na nga.
go head back.
Sige. You know the way, right? Tita!
Wala pang nag-drop kayo.
Yeah, lead the way.
Oh my God. Baby sheep.
Bilag umitim. Kahit may lawa.
Tita, I think we're last.
Hindi mahulog sa lawa.
Yes.
Ay, pangka. Let's
We can find a way.
I guess
It is not certain sa way.
Creeper!
ano yun?
Enderman.
Ouch! Nasawag din ako ba't ako nahulog? Pumuputok yung ladder.
I think we're close.
Lumilipad ako. Kapag nasa ladder.
Tita? Tita? We're close. Dito yung ano, flat. Hindi pala ito flat. Oh, gold armor na zombie. Full gold armor.
We'll just stay here for a while. I lost. I can see.
Tita,
Not a tree. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
nasa island.
Island? What island?
Ayun o, dito.
I can see you.
Di ba nasa puno ka, di ba meron ka makikitang island?
Enderman?
Ha?
Enderman?
Gagawa ko ng
Uh-uh.
pillar ha. Teka. Gagawa ko ng pillar papunta sa base. Ano to? Paharang-harang yung tree. Ano?
Why are you sleeping?
Hindi, trap na ako. Saan?
Eh,
Look.
Wait!
Look, muna.
Wait lang!
Look.
Oo!
Look.
Inaano ko nga yung ano ko. Ano? Trap City tuyuhan.
Ay, wait. Wait lang.
Tita? Where are you? Ito.
I accidentally cut all the leaves, so I back it.
I'm last too. Okay, I'm not last. Tita, look.
No, last. Bastos. Lost. Yun yung
Tita,
wala.
look. I found it. And you are not. You did not find the way. But I found the way.
There's a horse. Ah, tsaka yung bago. Fred. Yeah.
Tita, nakauwi ako.
Uwi na nga lang. Duh.
Dinadada mo ang mukha ko? How dare you?
You know, right? I'm on my way.
I'm on my Di Di ako nagutom.
Hindi rin.
Only 3?
Ako na lagi na ang mulo.
Oh! Ano ito? Bakit meron 3?
Lagi na ang
Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi.
Ang kita ko araw-araw.
Hindi. Ginagandahan ni Tito Johan bahay niya.
Okay. Yung cabinet tinanong mo dito, ginawa kong basurahan.
Na,
Hindi akong basurahan.
kailang. Only one bone? I need 2, but that's okay. So far, we haven't found Hero Brain. It's like hunting us.
Are you scared?
Yeah, because that Rio is playing.
Your horse get, nakawala.
Oh, bakit may laba? Okay. Lobat ako.